Hi, my name is David Freeland from the architecture firm FreelandBuck, and welcome to Unstack House. Unstack House is called that in relation to the house that we built next door. So whereas our house next door was stacked quite tightly together, the rooms here are more loosely arranged on a more gentle slope. We love the way that the house embeds itself into nature and create that kind of indoor-outdoor living that's so great in Los Angeles. Let's go take a look. As you walk into the house, you arrive in an entryway attached to the kitchen. The countertop itself we really like because of the material. The veining is beautiful here, but also introduces a theme that we recognize throughout the kitchen, these kinds of curves, which you can see also in the faucet. Also like the cabinet faces themselves, which have this kind of repeated curvature. So the kitchen is set down several steps from two adjacent spaces, the living room and the dining room, which we can go to now. This is a quintessential sort of Southern California indoor-outdoor kind of space in an area that is capturing the best views of the surrounding landscape and mountains. There's a generous 6-seat table here, also one that connects to an outdoor dining area. While views to the outside might be the centerpiece of this particular space, there's also vibrancy in the views through to the rest of the house. So moving from here, you can see through the kitchen into the living room. Downstairs, we have the opportunity to create an exciting collection of rooms. The one that we're standing in could be a guest room or it could be a playroom. It's a shared space between two different bedrooms. On the left side is a modest bedroom tucked underneath the stairs and with a framed view out to the mountains. What's great about this room is the vibrant light coming in from two different windows. The angles that you see here in the bedroom come from the curves of the mountain itself. From this sleeping level, we can head back upstairs to our main living level to the living room. In the living room, we're careful to create a sense of balance in the placement of furniture, such as the couch in the center of the space, while at the same time creating asymmetry with corner windows that frame views out to the landscape and to stairs that move us up to the other spaces in the house. Again, this has to do with working with the hillside. The house, in a way, is a kind of interior landscape or a kind of interior hill, you could say, that is moving between each of these different spaces. The primary suite is perched up at the top of the house, private and secluded, but with great views out to the landscape. And also, through here, you can see to our house next door, Stack House. The primary suite also has an outdoor component as well, a private patio, which is nestled out in the forest behind the house. Overall, Unstack was an opportunity to rethink the way that hillside housing is configured and takes on integration with landscape and views out to the mountains. Well, that's a wrap for Unstack House. Thanks for coming to visit, and we'll see you soon at one of our future properties.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.